Well, hello people. I'm after having a shower, so I'm ready to have a look at Bangkok, my friends. So my plan of attack is to go up the street here, up to the Asok SkyTrain station, and go over to Terminal 21, which is a shopping centre, 9 floors, I think. So when I go in there, then I'm going to hop onto the SkyTrain and go a couple of stops up to Siam Square. And you're all very welcome to join me. Have a look at this. Look at these buildings here. My God, look at the size of them. Look, see them? Look at this. This is a huge hotel here. Look. Wow. It's called the Carlton. See, there's a hotel over there too. Yeah. So I'm on the 9th floor. Look at the state of me shorts. Look, me skinny white Irish legs, my friends. Holy shit. Right, let's do this, my friends. Let's do this. Let's conquer Bangkok. It's pleasant enough. It's 2:30 in the afternoon here, and I don't feel suffocated. It's just nice temperature. Have a look at the cables here, my friends. Look. How would you try and understand all them? Look at that. There's Jum Health Massage. I want a massage there. Right, I just can't wait to do this SkyTrain. Just can't wait. Straight away there's loads of women there looking for a massage. I wonder what kind of massage would get off them, my friends. Anyway, here's the tuk-tuks. They're supposed to be scammers. I don't think about getting them. Here's a sign up here. I'm probably not pronouncing it, but it sounds like, look, it's P-H-L-O-E-N-C-H-I-T. It sounds like Folan shit, but it's probably and Rama the Fourth. You know, like the kings here are called Rama. I think the king of the minute is called King Rama the Ninth. But you know me, I'm not into all that crap, my friends. But very careful saying anything against the king over here in Thailand. Mad stuff, you know. As Guns N' Roses said in one of their songs, welcome to the jungle. It's a concrete jungle, my friends, but I love it. Wow, mad place. Mad place. Well, I'm going to go up and walk along here, right? Up onto the Sky Train. So over here is Terminal 21, right? This is a big shopping centre here in Bangkok. So I'm going to go over here, my friends, and have a look around, okay? I'm enjoying this, my friends, I'm enjoying it. You have to do things like this, don't you? Just great. Look at the buzz that's going on down here. Oh, God, look at that. I'm loving it, loving it. Concrete jungle. Bangkok style. You know, there's the population of Bangkok is over twice the population of the whole of Ireland. I think it's 10,600,000 people live here. But look at this. I just can't explain the buzz here, my friends. That's a great buzz. Look at this. They're mad into the bikes over here. Wow, this is some city. Holy shit. Oh, this is fabulous city, my friend. Fabulous. Look at this, look at this. Holy shit. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. It's just brilliant. Mad kind of stuff there, my friends. Haven't got a clue of what I'm looking at all. I do not know. This place is called Spicy Yum Grill. I don't want anything that's too spicy. So I'll have a look around. Chinese burger in there, one of the rest of the dog. There. There's a big Japanese population over here in Bangkok, and the other way they're all into the sushi and stuff. But look, if it, just look the way it goes around. It goes out, and you pick what you want. You see. And it's on a conveyor belt. Pretty cool, isn't it? Well, I have to get something to eat somewhere because I'm feeling hungry. This looks not bad, does it? Nah. See this place over here? There's a roasted duck. Look at this. Don't ask me what that is, my friends. I have no idea. There's so much variety of food up here, it's unreal. Rice and curry. Holy shit. Mad stuff here, mad stuff. I wonder can you get spuds here? Jeez, I haven't got a clue what half of this food is. I better pick something because I'm starving. Right, I just copped on here. You have to go up to a certain place here and get a ticket, right? You spend so much money in a ticket, and then I think that's how I think that's what you use then to get your food. You know what I mean? So maybe I'll do that. All right. I think these here are think dumplings or something. Someone says you've got to try them when you're in Bangkok. So I'll try them. Right, so there's the card, right? It's called Pier 21 card, right? So I'm after putting 100 baht on that. Now 100 baht on that it's nothing really. Probably about, I don't know, maybe €2 with it. Because I think 1,000 baht is about 26 euros. That's 100. I'll just see what I can get for 100 baht, right? So I wonder would that be okay? That's stewed pork leg in there. Okay. I don't know what to pick, my friends. I just don't know. So much different variety. It's all mad looking food to me. Rice noodle and fried pork. See that there now? No. What about here? Fish and chips, 59 baht. Black pepper steak. Right, people. Just after getting something here. Let me try these kind of chopstick things, see can I work them out. Oh Jesus Christ, this is for the boards, my friends. How the fuck did they do it? Back to the fork, my friends. Don't know what flavours we have in here, but it's lovely. And I'm not mad into rice. And the rice is lovely, you know. See the meat that I'm eating here, look. That's less than €2. Very, very nice. Oh, it's gorgeous. A funny looking egg, my friends. This looks like cabbage.
That's okay. It's okay, my friends. That's not bad. That's not bad food for less than €2, my friends. Yeah, it's a bit of a mad shopping centre, all right. I got grub there anyway for about less than €2. Hope I feel okay after. Rice and I think it's pork. They do all the food in some kind of mad different kind of sauces over here. But yeah, that's some deal, isn't it? Less than €2 for rice and pork and egg. Amazing, my friends. Down on the ground floor here in Terminal 21, and it's like a market area, right? Have a look at all these different food stalls over here. They're amazing. I tell you, I'm making me tree with tiredness, so I'm going to go back to my hotel and just chill out. I just can't move anymore. No energy. Look at this.
I am driving through the darkness. The wind is in my hair, hiding from the shadows. Try to act like I don't care. If you see me in the street light, you believe that my faith is gone. But there's a star for a lonely soul that will guide me home. Some things come easy, some things slip out of your hand.
Amazing stuff, my friends. I haven't got a clue what it is, what kind of foods. Mad.